One of our lesser-known founding fathers, Elias Boudinot, once observed, "Good government generally begins in the family, and if the moral character of a people wants to degenerate, their political character must soon follow." If true, these words have tremendous implications for you and I today. While we often spend much time criticizing our elected leaders for lack of political character, what would happen if we spend more of our time praying for their moral character? That is why the Family Policy Council of West Virginia is calling on churches throughout West Virginia to designate January 10, 2010 as the day to pray. This is no slick program. It's not a big production. It's just an intentional setting aside of a few minutes during corporate worship on Sunday, January 10, 2010, to intercede on behalf of our state, our nation, and the leaders elected to serve us. Will you join thousands of West Virginians as we pray for our leaders? To sign up yourself and your church for the Day to Pray, simply go to familypolicywv.com/day2pray. That's familypolicywv.com/day2pray. If good government begins with a family, then our families must pray for good government. Join me for the Day to Pray, January 10, 2010.